Do you want to be funny in every conversation? Many studies show that humor acts like a powerful social passport. It makes you seem more intelligent, more attractive, and it makes people trust you faster. But making someone laugh isn't about being born a comedian. It's really about understanding how humor works and how to adapt it to different people and different situations. At its core, humor comes from taking two ideas that don't usually go together and combining them in an unexpected way. Once you get that, the next step is knowing how to shift your humor depending on the vibe. Because let's be real, a joke that cracks up your best friend might get you side-eyed by your grandpa. And that joke that slays in your gaming group might fall flat in a work meeting. So today, I'm breaking down 4 simple but ridiculously effective humor styles you can use in almost any conversation, whether you're meeting someone new or trying to impress the girl you like. Number 1. Topical humor. Topical humor is like throwing a match into gasoline. If you do it right, it explodes. It's about joking around stuff that's trending, news, memes, viral content, and creating instant connection through recognition. To pull this off, remember 3 rules. Pick something most people know. A viral Instagram or TikTok trend hits harder than a cricket reference unless you're with fans. Strike while it's fresh. A joke about a trending meme is a lot funnier when it's fresh. If you wait too long, it just doesn't have the same vibe anymore. Avoid triggering debates. If the topic is controversial, like politics, use irony, not aggression. For example, let's say you're talking about the recent trend of Bigfoot vlogging on TikTok. You could say, "We spent decades trying to catch him on camera. Turns out he was just waiting for the internet connection." Topical humor lands best when it's relevant, timely, and delivered with a light touch. Number 2, self-deprecating humor. This one's about learning to laugh at yourself in a light, non-destructive way. Psychologically, being able to joke about your own flaws or awkward moments helps you come across as humble, relatable, and grounded. So, if you always mess up basic things, don't hide it. Say something like, "Yeah, I spilled coffee on myself just by drinking it like a normal human." Or if you keep pulling doors that say push, you might say, "If awkward was an Olympic sport, I'd be a gold medalist." You're not trying to make people feel sorry for you. You're turning your embarrassing moments into a shared laugh, and that's powerful. But keep one thing in mind when you do this one. Don't joke about deep insecurities. Making fun of your looks, mental health, or deep emotional wounds isn't funny. It's uncomfortable, especially if people don't know you well. The key is to joke about little things you've already made peace with. You're not putting yourself down, you're showing confidence in your own imperfections. And that's what makes people like you and connect with you. Number 3, misdirection humor. Misdirection is one of the oldest tricks in comedy, and it works like magic. It's when you start telling a story that feels predictable until suddenly you hit them with a twist that no one saw coming. While most jokes are obvious, misdirection plays with people's expectations. You guide them down one path, then hit them with a punchline from the side. I finally bought that time management book I wanted. Now all I need is the time to read it. See how that works? You build anticipation and then throw in a twist that flips expectations in a funny way. To make it land, don't be weird or absurd in your setup. Keep it relatable. And make sure the twist is clear and instantly understandable because no one wants to sit there decoding your joke like it's a puzzle. Number 4, affiliative humor. Sometimes one perfectly timed joke connects people faster than hours of small talk. That's affiliative humor, the kind that brings people closer without mocking anyone. To use it right, include yourself in the joke while focusing on shared struggles, shared goals, or shared pain. Avoid sarcasm that could come off as mean or arrogant, especially with people who don't know your vibe yet. Let's say you're working on a group project. You can say something like, "This group project is just 5 people silently praying someone else takes the lead." This kind of humor is safe, inclusive, and relatable. It doesn't offend anyone and builds strong connections. And in a time when most people feel disconnected or out of place, using humor to connect can be one of the most genuine things you can do. So if you want to be funnier, don't memorize those one-liners or try to be someone you're not. Just master these 4 humor styles. 1, topical humor. Tap into the trends to make instant connections. 2, self-deprecating humor. Joke about your awkward moments and turn them into a shared laugh. 3, misdirection humor. Catch them off guard and surprise them with something unexpected. 4, affiliative humor. Make everyone a part of the joke without offending anyone. Because if your life's going to be awkward anyway, might as well be funny in the process.